Hello and welcome to my channel Let's Code with Kundan Kumar. In this video, I will walk you through the essentials Hadoop command for managing and interacting with the Hadoop distributed file system. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to open our command prompt, run. We need to run our daemons.cmd because this is a Windows. So if you are running on the Linux or MacBook, you can write the sh cmd. You can see this all daemons are open. Don't close this windows, guys. Please just minimize it because these are daemons are running. Just minimize this. Let's check it out. JPS. You can see all the daemons are running. Data node, JPS, node manager, name node, or resource manager. So let's get started. Before, so when we are going to roll, we are going to learn the Hadoop command, means HDFS command. So in the older version, we can write HO Hadoop, HADOOP Hadoop FS. Might we want to list the all the files and directory in the Hadoop. So this is root directory / root directory of the HDFS. Let us run this one. We have previous file, something is there already. Here you can see this is a command. But in this video, I will be going with this HDFS, and DFS instead of Hadoop FS. Okay, Hadoop HDFS. So I will use the HDFS DFS to write the Hadoop command instead of, I repeat, instead of Hadoop FS. If you want to use this one also, you can use. Rest is the same, guys. So I will follow this style, HDFS DFS. Fine. So you can see I have seen here. So minus ls to list the files and directory in the Hadoop. This is root directory. You can see I have already Kumar directory is already there in the previous. So now this you can see here there are sessions when you're writing this command ls and / this is root directory. The display, this one is permissions. This one is here is like the owner, the group, then bytes, the date of creations, timing of the creation, and directory name. So now, guys, let me show you how to create your own directory using the Hadoop. So HDFS DFS, excuse me, to make a directory command is called the -mkdir / root directory / inside what is your name of the directory. I can say might be DUMM by dummy. Let us create. You can see it has been created. Let me see again using this command ls HDFS DFS -ls in the root directory. You can see dummy also has come here. So guys, since we are learning all the daemons, it is a good practice to check. You can browse your all those directories using the GUI of the Hadoop. So let me open that one. So let me go and open that local host. I am going to open the 50070, sorry, localhost 50070. Yes. So you can see here, you can go, this is a, guys, the name node we can say the name node browser. You can see when you browse this one, you can find the when it is started, what is the version we are using. The Hadoop version is 3.2.4 I'm using. When it is compiled, cluster id, block pool id, you can go safe mode is off. Later on, you can also check the configuration capacity, DFS used. You can go through all, explore yourself. You can see the edit log files. Whenever you create any files, any delete any files, this edit log will be keep changing because this is managed by the name node, all those things. So you can check also where the name node is available in your disk and blah blah blah. So let's see here, this was here. Let us go to the utility, click and browse the files. When you browse the files, you can check something here. You have a dummy folder, you have a Kumar folder. Even you can create from the folder from here. Even you can upload the file from here. But since we are learning the command, so we'll do everything using the command. And at last I will show you from here as well. So let us go back to the command. Fine. So let me go back to the command and show you. So we have learned how to create a directory. Fine. So let us go. Since we have created a directory, it's good practice to upload the file from local machine to the HDFS distributed file system. So let us go here. We write HDFS DFS. It is the one to upload the file from local machine to the HDFS. We have a called the -put. We have a two command. I will show you another one. We have a put. In the put, we can write the source. Source means this is a local source, and then after that we have a destination HDFS. So source is, let me go there and I can use my file somewhere else. I have it. Let me go to desktop. I have a data set. In data set, let me put some command like a sentiment data. Okay, allow me to go put the sentiment data. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, copy this one, go there, paste it, paste slash file name. So file name is this one. Let me copy this file also, copy this file. Okay, .txt. So this is a for local machine, you can see from the C. Now we want to put in the Hadoop. So slash, in which directory you want to put. So you have a two directory, you have dummy, you have a Kumar, isn't it? So let me put in the Kumar. Okay, so let me put in the Kumar. I'm putting the Kumar. I'm saying that okay, HDFS command, apply the HDFS command, put command, put these files which is available in this location to the local machine at the Hadoop under the Kumar. So guys, let me show you. Okay, so let's go Kumar here, done. Yes, we can check it out. Let me write here again command to check it out. HDFS DFS minus ls, slash Kumar. I'm going to, I want to see the Kumar, what the file they have it. You can see before I have put it, it is old file guys. This one is the previous. Currently we have put this one. You can see what is this is called the permission. This is the first column shows that it is a file. There is no D. This shows the permission for the users, for the group and for others. This is the bytes here. Yeah, kind of blocks here we have it, and like a replica here. We can say here it is a owner, this is a in group, this is a bytes, we have it, bytes, this is date of creation, and this is a location. Guys, same thing we can see here also. Let us go to the browser here. Consider you are here. Let us go simply to browser. We are in the Kumar. You can see in the Kumar, they are showing you this is a permission, owners, group, size, and this replica 3. This is what we are showing here. This one is here. Can you see here? So you can also using the browser, you can see here. So when you go there, you want to know the here. So can you see the number of blocks they have created? Let me see you. Here is this is a replica, not a number of blocks. So size is 300 MB, right? So since during the theory of the what is the Hadoop, what is the HDFS architectures, how it works, I was explaining and I showed you, and I had explained you that the default is a 3 replica and each block occupy the 128 MB. Since your file size is 300 MB, it means 300 MB divided by 128, it will show the number of blocks here. So you can see how many blocks are created. 0 block, 1 block, and 2 block, means starting from 0, 3 block has been created based on the things. You can download these files, you can check the head beginning of the file of clicking on this. So first few 32K I can see from the files. You can see these are the files we uploaded. We can also see the tails, this one also here from here. So let's close guys and go back to the command. Same thing we can do through the command as well. So if you want to check through the command here, we can do also from the command, like writing the tails, So before I'm going to hit, so let's go and check it out here. So we have done how to upload the file from, local machine to the HDFS. So just now we have seen only the text file. Let me show you how to upload the videos, multimedia file from the local machine to the HDFS. So let me go there. I have another multimedia. You can see here. How do I call a class master, something like this? Can you see here? Let me see what is there here. So how do we call? So let me copy this address, copy, and I will go there. I will write HDFS. You can use guys this one also. You can use. Let us use. Let me clean it first. CLS. I'm going to use the up arrow key to get it back here, and I want to change this file here location. This is the location I have it. So I want to copy and this file which is MP4. I will copy this name and I'm going to paste this one here and say .mp4. Make sure they don't have a white space between this file name guys. This can cause an error. Otherwise you have to use some special kind of format to write the file name which have the white space between the name. Okay, so you can see I have used the underscore to avoid the the white space. Okay, so you can see I am uploading the HDFS, DFS. I am putting the put means I am uploading the local file from the local machine to, this is up to here, and then this is a space. After a space, this is your destination to the HDFS under the Kumar directory. Let hit the enter. Let's see here what happens here. You can see already uploaded, there is no error. So let me check the command again, HDFS DFS minus ls slash Kumar. Let me check under the Kumar. We can see this file is stored. Even using the browser, we can go and verify. Just refresh here because we are under the Kumar. You can see we are under the Kumar here. Here in the Kumar, you can see this file is there also. This file is a 10 MB only, and you have only 128 block size is 128. So when you click on this, it has only one block because a block size is 128 and the file size is only 10 MB. So it does not require more than one block. Okay, fine. So you can say when you click the sign, this is a multimedia file. So you can see blah 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 data when you're trying to see the text here file. So let's close, and the replica is 3. So likewise, let's go there and we can say check another one here. So we have seen here also we can check. So guys, why we should go ahead again in the browser? If you want to use this one also, you can check it out. So how do we do it? Let us go and check the tree. So we can write lsr and I say show the tree format of all the directory. You can see, look at this one we are writing here. We are saying here, we are using here, this is a tree. If you want to list that tree directory or directory tree, this is a directory tree. How it is a directory tree? You can see they're showing the dummy. Inside the dummy don't have anything. You have Kumar. Inside the Kumar you have a difference, again Kumar. You have one file, again Kumar, again another files, again Kumar, another files. So this shows the directory tree. Now when you put this command HDFS DFS minus LSR, which is for the directory tree, they're saying the first is D, that is a directory, and this is a permission for the first three. No, second from first column is for the files or directory. Second and 4 and 5 is for the permission of the users. They have the read permission, write permission, execute permission. The next 3 is for the group, which having a read, group having the read and execute permission, no write permission, and the last 3 is for the we can say for the others. Okay, likewise, so we can check it out here, and this one is a number of blocks they are showing you here. This is a owner, this is a group, this is a size, this is a date of creation, blah blah blah. So guys, we have seen how to do that one. It's good practice. So basically this command is used for the diagnosis, to explore your the whatever you are doing is created or not, deleted or not, to cross check. So let's go and use another command. This was one command to put, okay, from the there is an alternative command which we can use. So we can have HDFS DFS minus, okay, we can say copy from local. It means you are writing the copy from local. F is capital, L is capital. Means you are saying you are copying the local file to HDFS. So let me use the same file. Let me use something like a different file. So I am going to copy this location. Let me use this time is this sentiment data in this one. So let's go and we use this one, copy. Okay. So I'm going to copy here command yes. I'm going to use the command here copy slash, let me use the input dot txt. This is from the local. This time I'm going to put in the dummy simply slash bum by, not in Kumar. This is dummy. You can see here dummy was there, dummy which have a no files having. Let me put in the dummy. What guys, we are using the copy from local, same like a put. Little there is a some little difference is there. You can try to explore yourself and let me know in the comment box what difference did you find between the put and copy from local. Enter. Okay, we can go and cross check using this command. Let me use the tree one. You can see before the dummy has nothing, not dummy tree form we have. You can do also likewise HDFS only ls slash dummy, a specific one. It will show only for dummy. You can see dummy has the input dot txt. Same thing you'll find here. Let's go there. Inside the dummy, you can find this size is this one, blah blah blah. Fine guys, so we have seen here that is was GUI. This is a command based. So let's go and see how to, suppose something is there on the HDFS and I want to bring down and I want to copy from the HDFS to my local machine. So far we have done from the local machine to the HDFS. Now we are going to do from HDFS to the local machine. How to do that? So we have command call. Let me clean, guys. CLS HDFS DFS minus get. That is a command, we have it, minus get. So we can use this one and say, okay, get means you are getting from HDFS. So path source is HDFS and destination is your local machine. So source is HDFS. So I'm writing here slash, let me write Kumar. Kumar, inside the Kumar, we have a file called, sensitive. So let me copy, guys. If how do I know what file there is there? So let me write HDFS minus ls Kumar. What is there? Let me use this one first to show you. This command is good practice. Okay, suppose I want to copy this one from this one. Okay, so I can copy. So I can HDFS slash, sorry, HDFS DFS, then slash get. I can say from, this is a root directory, this is a Kumar under the HDFS. Under the Kumar directory we have input file. I want to bring it to the where? To the C, some location. So let me take in the location. Let me see. Let me this data we have already. Let me simply to delete. I deleted, guys. I want to bring this data here at this under the test folder. So you can choose any location of yours. This is a place I want to bring. Check it out in the test, guys. Nothing is there. I deleted simply. You can go there and enter. Let us go and check whether we have test data. You can see the test has come in this, because I'm not using command, because I'm using the like file explorer. Show the whether we have pulled or we have copied, we have get the data from HDFS to the local machine or not. You can see input has come here. Like put, for the an alternative, there is alternative command for the get called the HDFS DFS minus copy to local. Copy to local. We have a copy to locals. So guys, from copy to local, HDFS copy to local means from HDFS to copy to local. So again I can copy this one. Same command, let me allow me. So copy to local means from HDFS. So let me write this time Kumar. Let me use the dummy. Dummy, I can use it. Dummy. Simply from dummy. Which file you want? So let me use the Kumar itself, because we need to check the what is the file in the dummy. Input. We are copying, guys. Okay, from there we are getting the data from this. From here, where do you want? I want in the same here. Let me see. I want here, but not in this this time in the simply in the data set. Simply to avoid, like me, I want to bring the data here. See here itself. Let me delete this file from here simply to show you. Let me delete this file. Nothing is there. So in the data set, you can see the location data set. Input is not there. That is the location I'm putting up to the data set. I'm writing here enter. What is the problem coming here? What happened? HDFS copy to local. What is this? General command line syntax is command generic options. So let me try here copy to locals minus. Okay, guys, problem is copy to local. I say is T. I have written the T. Okay, it was a T. So let me do it. Okay, still. So now you can see it is done. It was command here. It is done. So let me CLS. You can see there. Let me go to the local machine. You can find the input has come, which I have deleted under the data set. So guys, we have seen that's good. So let us go and check, simply verify using this one browser. So let me use the browser. Here we have a Kumar. In this Kumar we have a media file. We have this, you can see. You can also have seen this one, all those things. So let's go there and perform something. Excuse me. So let me do it something else here, which is very important. Let us, sometimes if you want to copy from a file from, uh, file within a HDFS. Suppose you want to copy some file within HDFS, you can do it. So copy file within HDFS, we can use the HDFS DFS minus CP, like a Windows command, something like a CP source. Source means within a, what we can say, within a HDFS. So let me do it here. Before learning, guys, it's good practice to explore here itself. HDFS DFS minus ls to show you everything file is there. This. Okay, let me use another one. Let me to understand lsr recursively. So I can see here everything. So now I can see everything. So I can read from here which file I want to where. Okay guys, that's a good practice. Instead of going here manually using, I can go here, but let's good practice using this one also. So I'm writing HDFS DFS minus, we can do it what, we can do it here CP. I want to copy within a what, within HDFS. So I want source is also a location of the HDFS and destination is also location of the HDFS. So I want to say okay, I want to copy from dummy, or let me use this one, not from Kumar, from Kumar, this one simply I want to copy this one, let me this location, okay, from I want to put this one into the dummy. You can see in the dummy this one is not there, dummy. So this become a command, okay, for HDFS. This is CP command, this is a source within a HDFS, this is a destination within a HDMS. So let us enter and see what happens here. You can see now, use this command to check it out again. You can see now in the dummy this file has come here, which was not there. Check it out here, it was not there. Even you can go and check from here. Let me go there and browser, go to the dummy, this file has come. So guys, we have seen how to copy within a files. Fine. Same times like you have seen here, when I go there and you can go open this file and try to say tail file lost something, you can say here. You can use the tail file. You can see some byte of 32K of the last data you can see. Same thing we can do using the command. So we can say here, let me clean guys. So I can write HDFS DFS minus tail, and give the file name. So I'm writing Kumar. Under the Kumar I'm write input dot txt. I want to see the tail means 32K of this file from the bottom. So you can see this is from the bottom here. Like this we can say head also. Let's go there and HEAD head. We can see the top head. You can see both are different. This is a top 32K guys, this is a bottom 32K, means 32K means size, okay, of the file. So let me clean guys. We have seen also this one. Let's go, we have seen the tree, we have seen also. Let's go also learn something good practice, because so far we have seen we have a H. Let me explore HDFS DFS minus ls. Let me write lsr slash from the root directory. So the tree directory, so they're showing us all those things. I want to count, I want to check the I want to count the number of directory and files and size of this Hadoop project and the Hadoop files. So I can do HDFS DFS minus count slash, means I want to count number of directory and files in the root directory of the HDFS, means at the root of the HDFS. So let's see what it replies. Okay, so you can see it's replying. This one is a number of directory, this one is a number of files, total files, in the whole HDFS, because I have given the root, my specified path is root of the HDFS, means the whole beginning. This is a size. So it means 3 means, let me show you where is the 3 directory. One is a dummy, another is a Kumar directory. Let me show here from also. Let me go here, explore beginning. Oh, sorry. So you have one is a dummy, another is a Kumar. This is a 2 directory. But you will wonder this coming 3. No wonder guys. 3 means there is also kind of hidden files under the your system of the HDFS hidden files. This is not shown in this screen. It cannot be seen in the screen. So that is also counted. So one is the hidden file. This is a files. Hidden file means hidden directory guys. Here I'm talking about. Here is a file 5 files. Let me show you 5 files. So one file is this 1, 2, 3, these files 4 and 5. This is a file 5 in the directory, because I'm using the Windows. In the Windows, file means file, directory means directory. If you're using the MacBook or Linux, Ubuntu, directory also considered as a file guys. Sometimes there is everything is a file in the Linux or Unix CLS. So guys, let's go and see another commands called the we have seen the tail. Okay, it's good practice to also see the the checksum, display the checksum of this one, so we can check that checksum of the Hadoop files, so HDFS DFS, I can write here minus, and let me write the full root directory of this HDFS is a directory. So you're checking this is a directory. Can you see here? They're saying this is a directory. Okay, fine. Let us go there and writing here Kumar. Let us see, go one by one, checksum directory is a directory. Inside the Kumar, we can do like this here something. You can say directory. Inside the Kumar, we can go input dot txt and say check it out. It's showing everything. It's showing the path of your file here. This one, this one showing the checksum type. This one is checksum type, and this one showing the checksum value. This is checksum value. Now let me break down and explain what is this one here. No, there is showing that MD5 of 0. Can you see there? MD5 of 0 and MD5 hash of the first 0 byte of the file. Okay, this hash is provided as a sanity check to verify the file metadata. Okay, let's check out another one. MD5 of 512, this one is an MD5 hash of the first 512 bytes of the file. This can provide a verification for file header or metadata section. Now this one is CRC32C, is a checksum which is called the cycle redundancy check for the entire file, for the entire file. So each algorithm offers the distinct mean of the file integrity validation. Fine here. This one is your checksum value. This string contains the actual checksum value computed by the algorithms. So guys, this was the checksum we have checked all the varieties here. Let's go and see something else. So if you want to check the health, if you want to check the general health of your Hadoop, so how to know the details health checkup for the specific files, for root directory, etc. So let me write HDFS DFS. You can see here, or let us write FSCK slash. You can see they are displaying you all the what they are showing you. They are showing the all the information. So different kind of information you can see the from the beginning. Where is that file from here? Where is that from here? They are showing this all that file blah blah status, file information. These are a file informations blah blah blah. What is this? Then we have saying the status of the number of data nodes, number of racks, total directories. We have it. Then replicated blocks, how many blocks has been replicated, and corrupted, how many missing, blah blah blah. Then we are trying to ensure the code blocks you can see here, and your files is healthy. These are details they are showing you. Same health can be seen here from also. You can go there, you can see how many nodes are running. This is also here, you can check from here. Cluster started, location, blah blah blah, running. The data node location is here, blah blah blah. 7 blocks are created. Fine, many things we can check. Another way we have it, localhost, we can go 808088. This is also a resource manager. We can check here. You can check from here. Your node is stated running, node address is this one, a node HTTP address this one, blah blah, size. You can also active node is 1. This is resource manager. You can check it out here from also how many running, how many killed, everything we can go through, guys. This one through this one also. This is your fine. So let's go back to the here. So guys, we have seen so far many things. Let's go and check some different kind of the function like removing, deleting something kind of things. So let's go and check the delete one. So before deleting, let me check you the one other command called the changing the file permission. So let me go CLS. I'm writing HDFS DFS minus LS. Let me write LSR. Let me write ls minus r because let me write for lsr and then I show you. You can see they are saying the ls are deprecated. Please use ls minus r instead. Okay, so let me use that one and see it's working or not. So ls minus r. Let's see it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. See, this is the one that's saying the deprecated. So I use this one for the not coming. So now you can see this is a permission. The first column of this output is shows the permission. So if I want to change the permissions, changing the permission, so you have to use the command called the HDFS DFS minus change change mod, then permission. kind of permission parameter, then path of the files. So let me change the file. So let me show you here. First of all, here the first column, you can see this is the first column. In this first column we have another column called D for directory. First three, next three is for the user RWX, next three is for the group, and next three for the others. So here is saying this is directory, this one you can see the selection one, okay, here. So so user can read and write and execute, they are saying read it and write and execute. Then others, here is trying to say that this directory dummy can read and not write but execute. Others can read and cannot write and but can execute because this W is missing. So here you can how to change the permission, of the some file. So let me do the change the permission of that one. Let me explain here the change mode. So it need a kind of permissions. So you can see here we have a one. Let me write here. Don't consider this is a. Let me use my something like a the notepad. So here we have a permission. So we have a read permission, we have a write permission, we have a execute permission. Okay. So if I want to write HDFS, I'm explaining as using the sublime HDFS. I'm saying okay, I want to change the permission. So change mode. Okay. Now I want to write the permission. So I want to say I'm using the numerical value. Okay. So there is a three parameter. The first one for the user owner, the second is for the group, another for the others. Okay. And then we write the name of the path of the file. We write the path of the file or directory. So here what I mean to say, this is syntax. Okay. This is a syntax to understand. So now let us write here, and let me write the numerical value of r having the numerical value is 4, write having numerical value 2, and x execute having numerical value. Okay, so total is 7. So now let us understand total 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So I'm writing HDFS DFS. I want to say I want to give this is change mode. First one is for the owner, okay, user, something like that, on others. Let me write the others like this simply to make you understand. UGO. So here is owner. So I'm going to write all permission for the owner. So 7. 7 means 4 plus 2 plus 1 means R, you want to give R permission, you want to go read, write and execute. If I want to give only execute permission, so I will write for other group, I will write 1. 1 means only X execute permission, you are not giving that one. And if you want to give another, might be 3, means you want to give, or 5, you want to give for others to read and execute only, not write permission. And then name of the path, so I'm writing that slash dummy slash input dot txt, something like this. So let me go ahead back to the command to understand here. So let's go there. Let me write here. You have here some input text. Can you see this one? So I'm writing here. This has owner has. This is the first column is for it is a file. Okay, fine. The owner has only read and write permission. There is no execute permission. Can you see here? No execute permission. So let me give the all permission. So I'm going to give here to owner, give all permission, means 4 plus 2 plus 1 7 means 4 already have, 2 already have write permission, but execute permission is not there. Check this line, guys. Check this. I'm talking about this one here. WX. Let me copy paste this one if I make you understand. Copy here. Let me copy here as a here. Okay, can you see here? Let me to make you understand. You can see here this one. The owner, this is a first, this 3 is for owner, this 3 is for the group, this last 3 for the column for the others. So I'm saying this is having RW, means you have a 4 plus 2 6 permission. I want to give all permission 7, so I want to give the 7 for the owner. Then this one is having read permission to the group and no write, no read. So I can say okay, might be I want to give one read and execute permission. So I can give the 5. Read is 4 and write is 1. So 4 plus 5. Now you can see also having the read permission to the group, but for others no write and not execute. So let me write the execute permission. So I'm writing 4 plus 1 5. So let me go and copy this command from here and to there and see is changing or not. So I'm going to write here, delete it here simply and put it here and enter. After entering, recheck this one. I'm going to use this command to display all the tree format to check okay coming or not. So you can see here in the before running this command, check the permission. You have this one here for this file. You have you have given the 7 means all permission. You can check. Now this file, the group having all permission. Let me copy paste this one to make you understand here. Copy. Simply to make you understand, you don't need to copy, guys. Let me write here simply to compare. You can see I have given it has the execute permission. Now check it out. X has come for the group for the owner. X also has come for R plus this one, these three. Let me separate it simply to make you understand. This separate, this separate, this separate, simply to make it this one okay, this separate also. This shows, guys, that one is for that column for the file or directory, but this one for the read, write and execute permission for the owner. This is for the group, this is for the other. So you can see I have changed all permission. 7 means 4 plus 2 plus 1 means all permission for the owner. 5 means 4, this 4 plus 1 means write, read and execute, not write, read and execute. So see, write having the blank. So likewise we have done for this one. So this is a way to do the numerical wise. We can do the the symbol wise as well. Symbol is, this is a numerical symbol we use. For user we use the U, as I told you. For users group, if we use the groups, this is a symbol, let me tell you. Then others we use there other. No, this is a for the who is who. No, for the symbolic, for the number, like a for we are writing for writing here for this read, write, execute. So suppose I want to give some permission for this using the symbol. So I can say, let me write here HDFS DFS. I want to say user. I want to give permission to read plus R. I want to withdraw the permission, then minus R. Since all permission they have, guys, DFS, I will use the input box here. You can see all permission for the. So U means user. I want to assign, you want to add any permission, write the plus and the symbol R W something. If you want to remove, write minus. Okay, write minus. So let me remove it. Let me use the minus R. I want no minus X. I want to remove from the users, means user means owner kind of things. X. See, it has X. Now I want to say here, okay, let me use the one way and then show you how it works. Okay, then we can say here comma. Let me use one first. So we can say comma. Okay, for group I want to say plus write permission. For comma we can say others also give the write permission. Then file name. Then the file name. Let me see. Hope this is okay. Not giving any errors here. Let me put it here. Enter. Okay, let us what the error has given me. What the errors? Let me use one commands. Dummy slash txt. Sorry, input dot txt. Why? Why? What mistakes? Let me see again. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let me see what mistake I have done here. I have not used the change the mode. Can you see here? I have not used the change mode. Can you see? So minus chmod. I was in hurry. Let me copy this one again and put it here. Let me, before running this one, let me use this HDFS DFS minus ls minus capital R, direct everything, simply to explore, and then write this command and enter. Okay, no such file. Let me check it. Input dot txt really is not there. No such file or directory, isn't it? So let me check what the problem. Let me check one. Okay, okay, the command support is not there, so let me do it here. Again, let me run this command and see we change or not. So let me check here DFS and DFS here. We see, guys, we have removed the X here. Check it out. It has the input. They have a X permission. They have X permission. They have X permissions. Now we have removed the X permissions here. Can you see here? We have removed the X permission. So guys, like that we can do it for the changing the mode using the numerical and using the symbols. You can try to check how to combine here more. Okay, guys, so now let us see how to remove the files. So let me go and use this one directory simply to show you how to remove the files. So deleting the files, we can check it here. We can delete the files. So guys, we are going to delete the files. So let me see, because we have seen, let me delete these input files. of the dummy. How to do that? So let me write here HDFS DFS minus RM remove, and just write the path. Might be I want to remove the this one under the dummy. Under the dummy I want to remove the input dot txt. I want to remove this one. Can you see this one? Let's see what happens. Okay, deleted file. Let us go and cross check deleted or not. You can see from here we had a dummy input. Here dummy input not there. You can go cross check here as well. On this one you can go and cross check here as well. Okay, so it was here on this utility, and you can say dummy also input is not there. So guys, let's go there. And also if I want to remove whole directory, so let me write here remove whole directory. Might be this directory of dummy I want to remove, like this. See what the system is showing you, saying it is a directory, it has some this directory is containing something. So if you want to delete directory, means you want to delete all the subdirectories, some files within a directory, it means. So that means you need to enforce say please delete recursively. So I'm saying here write HDFS DFS space minus RM, then write minus R recursively. They are going to delete it. So let's see here, it deleted dummy. Go and check the file again recursively and see whether dummy is there or not. You can see dummy is gone. There is no dummy. Even you can go and refresh here. The data is showing this dummy is not there. See, dummy is gone. So guys, we have seen how to delete also files, and so we have seen various kind of the commands. We have seen basically how to list the directory. We have to how to list the file directory and files, how to list the directory tree. We have also learned how to upload the data from local machine to HDFS through the two different commands, minus put or minus copy from local. We have also seen how to retrieve the data from HDFS to local machine using the minus get, and also copy to locals. We have also seen how to copy the data within HDFS. We have also seen check the status of the health checkup of the files directory of the HDFS, etc., and etc. Many more we have learned it, guys. So guys, this was so far common commands of HDFS that we have learned. Please, if you have any other command that we want to learn, you have some confusion, please don't forget to put in the comments. I will get back to you immediately. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channels, please you do subscribe my channels, like, comment, share to your friends community. Thank you guys. May God bless you. See you in next video with the map and reduce program.